Facing the unknown is never easy, but the right tools can change everything. Doomsday survival gadgets are built to keep you safe, prepared, and ready for any emergency. From smart gear to life-saving devices, these essentials give every preparer the confidence to adapt, survive, and handle challenges no matter what the future brings. Number 20. Solar Lighter Sun Case. When fuel runs out and survival depends on fire, a solar-powered lighter ensures you'll never be left in the cold. Harnessing the sun's raw energy, it creates a flame in seconds without matches or fuel. Compact, rugged, and built for extreme conditions, it features retractable wings for portability and an ergonomic grip for ease of use, making it a dependable survival essential for camping, hiking, or emergencies. Number 19. Tribit Portable Speaker. Imagine carrying a powerful sound that fits right in your pocket. Engineered with a 48mm driver, passive radiators, and XBASS tech, it delivers rich audio with deep bass. A high-capacity battery powered by RunStretch technology offers up to 12 hours of playtime. For bigger sound, pair two together in stereo mode. Compact and travel-ready, its strap lets you clip it to your backpack, bike, or even a tree branch with ease. Number 18. Portable Wind Turbine Charger. Harness the power of the wind anywhere with a lightweight and portable turbine that generates clean energy on the go. Compact enough to fit in your pack, it's perfect for camping, emergencies, or off-grid living. Simply set it up and let the breeze charge your devices through its built-in power bank. With durable construction and reliable performance, it provides a dependable source of renewable energy when solar or traditional power isn't available. Number 17. Sharpal All-in-One Multi-Sharpener. A dull blade can slow you down during camping, gardening, or outdoor chores. A versatile blade sharpener keeps knives, axes, scissors, machetes, and even lawnmower blades razor sharp. It features a tungsten carbide blade for quick edge setting and a ceramic blade for fine honing. Compact and portable with an ergonomic grip, clip, and lanyard hole, it's perfect for keeping tools sharp and reliable anywhere. Number 16. Anti-Mosquito Spray. Camping under the stars is magical until insects ruin the moment. A powerful fabric treatment spray protects against mosquitoes, ticks, midges, and other biting pests. Safe for clothing, footwear, sleeping bags, tents, and outdoor gear, it bonds to fibers for protection that lasts through several washes. One compact bottle covers up to 3.5 square meters, with each application working for up to 2 weeks, keeping your adventures bite-free and comfortable. Number 15. Outdoors Hot Tent. Heading outdoors with friends or family is even better with a spacious shelter built for all seasons. Its double-layer design keeps you warm in winter and cool in summer, while the umbrella-style setup makes installation quick and hassle-free. Crafted from durable Oxford fabric with an aviation-grade aluminum frame, it withstands harsh winds with ease. Added features like mosquito nets, zippered bottom, and storage pockets ensure comfort and protection on any adventure. Number 14. Staresso Coffee Maker. When the grid goes down, a reliable way to brew strong coffee can be a real morale booster. This portable espresso maker uses 15 to 20 bar of pressure to extract rich, crema-filled shots without electricity, just your own strength. Built from food-grade stainless steel with a tough, nano-ceramic coating, it's made to last in rugged conditions. Compact, foldable, and easy to clean, it holds up to 24 grams of grounds, enough to keep you fueled and alert when survival matters most. Number 13. Bandletic Nylon Compatible. Out in the wild, your gear should be as tough and dependable as you are. Designed for durability and comfort, this rugged nylon watch band is sweat-resistant, breathable, and skin-friendly. Heavy-duty stainless steel connectors keep your watch secure, while wide hook and loop fasteners allow easy adjustment for a perfect fit. Inspired by tactical backpacks, It blends toughness with style, ideal for camping, hiking, or daily adventures. Number 12. Split Chest Protector. In survival situations, protection matters as much as mobility. This lightweight chest gear combines tough injected plastic with foam padding for reliable impact defense and long-lasting comfort. With adjustable straps, detachable panels, and a neck brace-compatible design, it offers a secure fit and versatile protection. Durable, adaptable, and built for harsh conditions, it's an essential layer of defense for preppers and outdoor survivalists. Number 11. Pelican Marine Bag. When braving the outdoors, protecting your essentials is critical. This rugged, waterproof dry bag features an IP68 seal to keep gear safe from water, sand, and dirt. Built with reinforced buckles and D-rings, it's ideal for camping, rafting, or survival use. The adjustable strap makes carrying easy, while the touchscreen-friendly phone compartment keeps you connected without exposing your device. Number 10. Stealth Cam Fusion X Pro. In survival situations, staying aware of your surroundings is vital. This rugged trail camera captures 36-megapixel photos and HD video with an 80-foot detection range, giving you clear visuals day or night. Dual SIM connectivity sends images straight to your device, while the companion app lets you adjust sensitivity, tag activity, and monitor remotely. Reliable and discreet, it's an essential tool for securing camps, spotting intruders, or tracking wildlife. Number 9. Petromax Pressurized Lantern. Picture a warm, powerful glow cutting through the darkness. This kerosene lantern delivers 500 candle power of reliable light, ideal for camping, emergencies, or off-grid survival. Hand-assembled from polished brass, it uses a pressurized system with a luminous mantle for brilliant illumination. With included mantles, funnel, and spare parts, it's a durable, dependable solution for adventurers and preppers needing trustworthy light anywhere. Number 8. Kalkal Tree Stand. Safety is survival when spending long hours in the wild. This rugged hunting harness is made from 900D nylon with a stealth camo design, rubber-coated buckles, and a steel carabiner. Adjustable straps, padded support, and breathable mesh keep it comfortable, while its 300-pound capacity and 5,000-pound braking strength ensure reliability. With storage pockets, loops, and an emergency whistle, it's built for hunters, preppers, and survivalists alike. Number 7. Fireproof Document Box. In a survival scenario, safeguarding vital records is just as important as food and gear. This fireproof, waterproof storage box withstands extreme heat up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit while protecting documents from floods or harsh conditions. With multiple compartments for passports, IDs, and USBs, plus a secure combination lock and sturdy handles, it keeps your essentials organized and ready to grab in an instant, making it a must-have for bug-out bags and emergency prep. Number 6. Folding Claws Rope. In survival situations, strong and reliable gear is essential. A foldable claw paired with a 20-meter static nylon rope offers dependable grip, strength, and durability for climbing or rescue. The compact claw folds for easy carry, while the rope resists wear and provides secure support. Lightweight and portable, it's a must-have for preppers, adventurers, or anyone preparing for emergencies. Number 5. Collapsible Water Storage. When weight and space matter, a collapsible water container is a game-changer. Made from tough, abrasion-resistant TPU, it can be frozen for ice, filled with hot water, or used with most 42mm filters for clean drinking water on the go. The wide mouth opening makes filling easy, while reinforced handles and lash points ensure secure carrying. Lightweight, compact, and built to last, it's perfect for camping, survival kits, or off-grid adventures. Number 4. Snake-proof gaiters. Harsh terrain calls for gear that keeps you safe and moving confidently. Made from tough 1200D nylon, These waterproof and tear-resistant gaiters shield your legs from snakes, thorns, and harsh elements. Reinforced with polypropylene panels, they provide reliable puncture resistance while staying lightweight and comfortable with soft lining and adjustable straps. Ideal for hunting, hiking, trekking, or survival, they keep dirt, snow, and debris out while offering maximum protection outdoors. Number 3. Cold steel hatchet. Precision, durability, and safety are vital for anyone in competitive axe throwing. Designed to meet most competition regulations, this hatchet features a drop-forged 1055 carbon steel blade for strength and sharpness, paired with a tough American hickory handle for balance and resilience. Perfect for tournaments, it even allows logo customization to showcase personal style. Reliable and regulation-ready, it's an excellent choice for serious players aiming to perform their best. Number 2. Uncharted Rapid Raft. Lightweight yet tough, this compact raft is built for reliability in any situation. Its watertight seams and durable materials handle rough conditions with ease, whether for fishing, camping, hunting, or emergency landings. Quick to deploy. Just unroll, scoop air, and inflate. It also deflates and packs down small for easy carrying. With a one-way valve for adjusting buoyancy and a 400-pound capacity, it's a dependable lifesaver when you need it most. Number 1. Mini Pistol Crossbow. When survival demands speed and precision, a compact crossbow can be a real advantage. Firing bolts at 330 feet per second with enough force to pierce 4 inches of plywood, it delivers serious power in a small, maneuverable frame. Lightweight aluminum keeps it easy to carry, while the built-in crank system reduces the 120-pound draw weight to just 40 pounds. Ideal for hunting or defense, it's a reliable edge in the wild. So, that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.